how to use Animoto. Animoto is an online website where you can create really slick looking videos that you can use in your classroom, and even have your kids create their own short videos, and you can do it all for free. There are pricing plans to be able to create things that have more features, and for your students to be able to create longer videos of their own. I'm going to show you what you can do for free, and then you can decide if this is something that you think is valuable and would be something that other people might be interested in purchasing, to be able to let students explore this a little bit more. So this is Animoto's website. You just go to animoto.com. You can see down below here where it says the pricing plans. The light version, which is the free version, allows you to create 30-second web quality videos, and that's it. The Plus and the Pro version give you longer videos with HD resolution and a lot more different kinds of options. If I click on the compare plans here, you can see that the Plus version is $30 billed annually. As opposed to 30 seconds of a video length, you can create 10 minutes. Still web quality. You have a few more video styles that you can choose from, and you have a very large music library. You can also download videos if you have the Plus plan. The Pro plan, which is much more, as you can see here, $249 billed annually, give you 20-minute multi-song videos, HD, 53 different kinds of video styles, 2,000 music tracks, unbranded videos, all these different kinds of things. Okay, so these are what the plans look like in terms of what they can give you. So this is just Animoto's normal website. However, if you go to this website instead, animoto.com/education/classroom, as you can see here, it can give you a free Animoto Plus account if you're an educator, which is pretty cool. So what you would get is you would get this plan if you're an educator for free. And not this plan. So that's pretty exciting. All you have to do is click the Apply Now button right here, and it'll make you register an account. And then it will take you through the process of making sure that you're an educator. It says on there, oh, we'll get back to you when we can validate that you're an educator. But for me, it went pretty much instantly. So that's a pretty cool thing that you can do. So once you've registered yourself as an animator, you have all of these things that you can do. So now I'm going to show you what exactly Animoto is and how you build a cool looking video. I'm going to go ahead and log in with my account. I'm going to pause the video here while I log in and get us to the main screen. Okay, here we are at my main screen, just showing my account settings here. Now that I'm logged in, it says I'm currently an Animoto education customer, and that promotional status ends on April 19, 2014, but you can renew it, and it just keeps going. So that's a pretty cool thing that you can do. So I'm going to show you guys how to create a video. So we just click the Create button right here, and it brings up all the different styles that we can possibly use. There's tons of different styles you can use here. The ones that say Pro are not available to us because we're an Animoto Plus account, not a Pro account, but it does allow you to take a look and see. But there's all these different kinds of templates that you can use. All of them are extremely slick and cool looking. You can create a lot of cool videos for your classroom here. Like, let me show you, for example, this one that's just called The Future. May look a little familiar to you because I used it in the intro to this video. You can see this is what I used. Really easy, really quickly, created a very, very quick video. So you can look through all the different kinds of templates that there are, and see what kind really sort of fits the mood of your video that you would like to create here. So some of them are really specific to the kinds of things that you would want to do, but some of them are a little bit more open, and you can do just different things. Like some of them, like this one, is pretty plain and just simple, and you can do a lot of different kinds of things with it. So anyway, that's that. So let's just pick a template here. I'm going to pick this Pinwheels and Things because it's one of my favorite ones here, and I'm going to just click Create a Video. Okay, loads the video creator. Now this is seriously drag and drop, so easy. Okay, up here it shows me what what song is playing. I can change the style if I wanted to. So if I wanted to change it to a different style, I can by all means do that if I wanted to do that. The add pics and videos, you add pics and videos, add text is adding text. Okay, so let's add some pictures. I'm going to click on this and it's going to pop up a dialog box. And the other way we can do it is we can click on here. And this will add pictures, this will add text. Okay, so pictures. You can take them from various services that you have, Dropbox, Flickr, Facebook. I'm just going to upload pictures. Let's see, let's go into my pictures here. Let's see here. These are some various things that I have. Let's use Oscar Wilde. I'm just going to press the control button so I can select a whole bunch of different kinds. Let's pick all the stuff that I have about Oscar Wilde. Here, there we go. Whole bunch of things about Oscar Wilde. Oh, and some books. Okay, let's pick those ones. Then we just click open and it loads them all in, and it just takes a little bit of time here for them to load, and then ta-da, they all will load up here. So if I wanted to change the order of it, you just drag it to wherever it is you want it to be, and it'll change the order of things. If you wanted to add a caption to something, you just click in the caption. Look, books. Isn't that exciting? If you wanted to create text in between the in between stuff here, you can just click here and click text, or you can click add text. You type in the text that you want. Look at me. Subtitle, I'm a title slide. This is very silly. And then I can drag that to wherever I want it to be. Okay? So that's pretty much how you put it all together there. If you wanted the slideshow to linger on a certain picture a little bit longer than the other pictures, you would click this thing that says spotlight right here. And you can see a little box comes up over that. That means that one's spotlighted. Let's spotlight Oscar Wilde too. He was a genius after all. If you wanted to rotate the image, you would click rotate. If you wanted to do that, all different kinds of stuff that you can do. If you want to delete something, you press delete and you delete something. It's that easy. If you want to change the music for it, you click on here. I usually just go to full music library. You can also upload your songs if you wanted a different kind of song. So go to full music library, and you can change it. You can preview the different kinds of music. So you can listen to it and preview it. Let's go with this one. Let's go with Four Seasons Spring. There. Sounds very Oscar Wilde-ish. And then we click add song right there, and then that's it. Pretty darn simple. Tells us what our total video length is up here, and if I want to preview it, I just click preview video. It generates a low resolution preview. As it says here, your final video will be of higher quality. And give it a second here and let me pause while this is generating. Okay, so it finally generated here. It automatically plays, but here's what it looks like at the end. Fades itself out. Okay, and if that's what I wanted it to be and I was happy with that, I would just click produce and it would save it. So that's it. That's how you use Animoto right there. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Animoto is really easy to use and it's very slick. Oh, one thing I do want to show you is how to save your videos. So hang on, let me get to that page. Okay, here's my little intro thing that I created, the library tutorial video. So you can see on here where it says more. I could upgrade this to HD if I wanted to, download and export it. So I would just click download right here. And this is the only option I have to download it. It's suitable for viewing on your computer or embedding onto a website, and also for smartphones and tablets. I have definitely found that if I project one of these videos through a projector or a smartboard, it looks fine. It really does. It's not super high resolution, but it's fine. But if it was a video in which I really wanted to make sure that it was HD and it was going through, a good projector, and I wanted to, burn it onto a DVD and everything, I would perhaps upgrade for $5, and this is per time that I download it. So, if I wanted a really nice HD download, I can pay $5 and get it downloaded HD. Same thing with this also. If I wanted really true HD, I could upgrade for $10 and download it if I wanted to. But I found this MP4, it's fine. It works just fine. So that's it. That's how you register for your own Animoto account. That's how you create an Animoto video, and that's how you download it as well. Pretty simple. Go ahead and explore. Okay, in my original video, I said that you couldn't register student accounts for anything better than this light account with the 30-second web quality videos. I was actually mistaken. Animoto is actually very generous in their teacher accounts, and you can link a student to your Plus account, and basically what it does is when they register for their Animoto account, it gives them 6 months of being on the Plus account for free. So that's pretty exciting. So let me show you how exactly you do that. When you register for your Animoto education account, they send you this email that has this personal promotion code in it, okay? This is my personal promotion code that I got. You guys will get your own unique ones. And then it says to get started, check out our step-by-step guide about setting up your student accounts, which takes you to this. You can read this on your own, but let me give you the gist of it. What it tells you to do is it tells you to set up a generic Gmail address, okay? And this was not my generic email address I set up when I was experimenting with this, which is just jenzimnyanimoto@gmail.com. Okay, I just registered this just so that I can keep track of Animoto projects that that come in and need to get turned in. So what you do is when your students go to register, this is what they do. They click sign up, and then what they do is they register with your email address, that your generic Gmail email address that you set up. So they would register with Jen Zimney Animoto, or whatever it is that you decide for your generic email address, and then they put in the plus sign and then a number. Okay, you can assign the numbers on your own. As far as I can tell, there is an unlimited supply of accounts that you can get with this promotional account. I have not seen anything written about any kind of limits, so that is pretty cool. Not a lot of people do that. At gmail.com. I'm just going to put in Jane Doe, okay, and then I'm going to create a password, confirm that password. Then they click right here, do you have a promo code? And then you enter the code. Here's my code, A4EZIMNC 70BF7, okay, and then click sign up. Oh, sorry, that was my test right there. I'm going to do 2 instead. Sorry about that. Let me just do this one more time. Right here real quick. I was testing this out to see if it worked, and that's when I already registered the 2. Okay, here we go. Let's sign up now with 2. Okay, cool. And then Jane Doe is registered here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to create a quick video and then show you what happens with the generic email address here. So hang on just a sec. So I'm creating my just general video here that I'm going to save in just a second. But one feature I forgot to show you guys is this little wheel up here will allow you to edit the song and trim it and pace it at different speeds. So you could start the song in a different spot if you wanted to. You can speed up the song, excuse me, not the song, speed up the pacing of the images if you wanted to also. So that'll help you pace your videos a little bit better. So I just wanted to show you that while I'm in the middle of this. So I am going to save this real quick, pause, and then I'll come right back. Okay, so here's my finished video that that I created as my Jane Doe here that had the jenzimney+2 at gmail.com. What doing this does is it sends a notice to my inbox here saying that that video is ready. So basically, okay, so here's my video that I created. I just titled it Test 1. The reason why you want to have all of your students use your generic email address with the +2 is that it goes to your generic email address. A link to that video back there goes to that email address. So if I go into my inbox, that's my gemzimney@animoto.com, it tells me the Animoto video test 1 is ready to view, and I click on this. Let me display the images right here, and it tells me that this video is ready, so I could click on this and watch the video. So it's a really easy way to kind of manage your student accounts that way, in a quick and easy way where they don't have to turn anything into you. They just have to save it. I would recommend they save it as like their last name, like Jane Doe, so that when you see it in your inbox, you know that, you know, Jane Doe's video is ready, or whatever their name happens to be. So that's a pretty kind of tricky, but it you know, it works. But a good way to be able to kind of keep track of student accounts right there. So just make sure that your students, they all get assigned a number. They go with your generic email address, a plus, and then a number after that at gmail.com, and you'll get all of their projects right into your inbox. And that's a pretty easy way to be able to manage it. So enjoy.